Extraction of heavy oil called bitumen is an important component of Canada's economy. Alberta provides over 15% of Canada's gross domestic product, and almost a third of that is from resource extraction. Unfortunately, Canadian oil resources are more difficult and expensive to extract, with higher environmental consequences than many other world crude oil resources, making it less desirable to world markets. What if there was a method of extracting bitumen that could be economical and have very little environmental impact, including using minimal fresh water and producing almost no emissions? Working with industry, Natural Resources Canada, through its CanMet Energy Labs, has developed methods that create far less negative environmental impact and lower greenhouse gas emissions, while also being cost competitive. CanMet Energy's technology builds upon one of the most advanced of these techniques, steam-assisted gravity drainage, SAGD. SAGD uses paired horizontally drilled wells that extend through the bitumen deposit buried underground. This process requires some freshwater makeup, and the production of this steam results in making this process energy-intensive and increases its negative environmental impact. CanMet Energy has developed steam generation technology that is far less energy-intensive and has much less environmental impact. It's called Direct Contact Steam Generation, or DCSG. Where the SAGD process requires expensive treatment of recycled water and normally has no GHG control, DCSG produces steam by putting recycled water from bitumen extraction directly through an oxygen flame with no need for treatment. This creates mostly steam mixed with produced carbon dioxide and residues, all going back to the underground injection well. In fact, the system is virtually a closed loop. Here's how it works. We burn natural gas with oxygen at high pressure and inject recycled water from bitumen extraction through the flame to produce steam mixed with CO2. The pressurized steam product flows into the steam injection well, the upper of the paired horizontal wells dug underground at a depth of approximately 4 to 6 meters apart. This warms the bitumen in the reservoir, causing the bitumen to soften and eventually flow by gravity down to the lower well, called the production well. The liquid in the lower well is then pumped back up to the surface, where the bitumen is separated. The recycled water that is left over, without treatment, is then used within the DCSG to make steam again. A significant amount of the carbon dioxide produced in the process of heating the water stays underground, and that helps to reduce greenhouse gases. CanMet Energy has developed the DCSG process over the past 10 years as part of our R&D activities. We have built a pilot-scale facility at our Ottawa labs that allows us to test every facet of the DCSG process with great care. In parallel with the DCSG pilot plant in Ottawa, a larger demonstration unit is being considered by Suncor for use in northern Alberta. Here are the advantages of direct contact steam generation. It provides greater control of GHG emissions. It minimizes fresh water use by consuming recycled water, produced water, and tailings water without treatment. DCSG produces a dry solid waste product. It can utilize waste fuels such as petroleum coke. Costs are competitive with existing technology. And it allows Canada to produce petroleum product with an environmental impact that is on par with the lowest in the world, making our oil much more attractive on the global market. For more information about direct contact steam generation and CanMet Energy, please visit this site.